Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the background in TradingView. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. Download the TradingView app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure to log in with your accounts. Once you are logged in, you will see this dashboard. Now head over to the chart section. You can see chart icon at the bottom. Tap on it. You need to go to the chart settings. So here you can see the three dots icon at the bottom right. Tap on it. If you scroll down, here you can see the option chart settings. Tap on it. In the chart settings menu, you can see the canvas option. Tap on it. Here you can see the background option at the top. You can set the background of the charts over here. If you tap on this drop down, here you can select if you want to have the solid background or the gradient one. I'll select gradient for now. And right beside that, here you can see the color palette. Tap on it. You can choose which color you want your background to be. You can set both the color, and once you are done, you can tap on this OK button. And there you go, the background of your charts has been changed. It's a very simple process to change the background in TradingView accounts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.